Today's channeled message goes out to someone who's still thinking that they need to do more, need to achieve more, need to prove to themselves more that they're worthy, that they made it. But they already have. They already have freed themselves from all the old systems and patterns and places and people and things. So, what's the point here really? The point is your inner self just needing some time to adjust to the new situation where you are finally free, where you can really live your true self. Release the old programs, systems, thoughts, patterns, feelings. Ground your nervous system. Give yourself some time. Give yourself time to heal, to adjust, to integrate, to go through this process. Because your old programs, they sabotage your new freedom into a new version of the old. If you can't seem to let them go, if you can't seem to release them, just give yourself more time, more love, and more of positive, lovingly attention to what it is that you really need in order to let go. Maybe there's some things to accept still. Maybe there's some things that your system holds on to for dear life because it doesn't know any other way how to exist. Because it was programmed in you for so many years that you have to exist in this fight or flight, always needing to achieve something, to prove something, to gain something, to be someone. Maybe now is the time to let all of these perceptions go. And after you did this, after you let them go, there's this one day when you wake up and you realize, you truly realize, you are free. You are free. You are free. And you are safe. Because nothing can pull you back anymore. Because you found your freedom in yourself. Because you removed yourself from all the things that held you back from feeling free. Now give yourself time to start anew, to start over in a new way that you can't control, that you can't see beforehand, that is not a new version of the old, but something completely new. Stop trying to achieve something, to be something, and just be. I know it sounds so easy. And when the old patterns and thoughts and systems and feelings are still running around in your head, in your dreams, in your perceptions. It's not easy. Let them run a little bit and just stay with yourself. At some point, you will leave these circles. At some point, if you still stay with yourself, with your feelings, if you watch them, observe them, and not try to solve your problems in the old ways, you can leave these circles, you can leave these systems, and like that you can integrate your freedom.